Hi guys, welcome to the second part of external business event video. Today we will see how to subscribe and our notification rule to our external business central. This is my external business central and I will call it my external business central. This event has two parameters, old value and new value, and will we will subscribe it to the on after validate event of a customer's city field. In the app registration, we need to assign the admin center read write all grants. And in the admin center, in the Microsoft Entry Apps, we need to associate our client ID. In the Microsoft Entry app, we set the permission. Even external X event subscriber, and to the user executing the event, I assign the external event subscriber permission. Okay, to submit business event subscription with your own notification rule, you can send requests to the external event subscription endpoint. And the Business Central base rule, tenant, environment, API Microsoft Runtime v10, and external event subscription. For each business event, the request must contain the following data. Name company is the company to subscribe for this business event. Company D is the guide of company to subscribe for this business event. Event name is the name of a business event. My test external business event and my text external business event. AppD is the guide of Business Central extension that implements this business event. The notification URL, the URL to post notification of this business event, and the client state is the optional string associated with this business event subscription that can be used to validate any callers posting to the notification URL. Okay, I registered this notification URL. This notification URL created via Azure function by my colleague Roberto Demitri, who will show us how it works. Okay, I call him. Hi Roberto, how are you?
Hi Daniele, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. Okay, I registered your notification URL in my business external business event. And now I will try to change the city field of a customer in Business Central.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
The actual value is Bari, and I change in Roma. And can you share your screen?
Sure. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I got.
Can you explain your
Yes.
section?
Yes, yes, I got the request body now. Can you see the old value is Bari, the new value now is Roma.
Okay,
So
yes, correct.
I got the correctly the
Yes,
call.
yes,
Perfect.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, but I have a question for you.
Yes.
But what if the call goes wrong?
Can we try? I suppose if we try to fail this call, the webbook should come again.
Okay, can we try this case?
Okay, let me change the code. Okay.
Okay, can I?
Wait. Wait 1 second. Okay, you can go now.
Okay, I change value from Roma to Miami. Okay,
Okay, I got the request body. You change Roma to Miami. Okay,
yes,
now the result is was should be internal server error. Now we wait if Business Central send again the webbook. Okay, perfect. I got the same webbook probably. Then let me check the request body if the same if same. Yes, Roma from old value Roma, new value Miami. So
yes.
Business Central send me again the webbook. Perfect. Bye.
Okay, Roberto, thank you for this demonstration. And the game
Is done.